demo using this test harness software. Okay, we're going to simulate IEC 103 master and slave. Okay, so the difference today is we're going to test it using virtual pod. Okay, and the virtual pod software is this com0com. Okay, I already open up a com0com setup prompt over here. Okay, so if I type help for help, okay, so I may want to list down the existing virtual com. Okay, let me put up a list, and this is the list of virtual com. So there's a lot of there's actually 3 pair of virtual com that I created earlier, but today but for this demo interest, you'll be focusing on the first pair, which is com50 and com51, which is they are virtually linked. Okay, so let me open up the software, run protocol test harness. Okay, and okay, let me check. So I'm running the demo version. Okay, let's cancel this. Okay, first thing first is I'm going to create a IEC 103 master. Okay, so yeah, so the next thing is how do you want it to be communicate using serial. Okay, and just now as I mentioned 50. Okay, so open. So you get to see all this activity. So it's trying to reach out to the slave, but unfortunately there's no response because I haven't created the slave. Okay, let's create the slave by clicking this button, open a new channel. Okay, select 103 again, and this time slave. Okay, again go to the channel. Okay, so the serial communication, which is 51. Okay, we need to because it's a virtual network, so it's the other end of 50 is actually 51. Okay, and open. Yeah, so I think almost instantly, yeah, all the red alarm go off, and all the normal we start to have the normal transition over here. Okay, what we can do if it's very confusing, maybe we only try to see the physical telegram from and to, from the to or the slave. Yeah, this is the idea. Okay, so the next thing I want to show is, okay, for this software it actually come with this command over here. Okay, which is look decent. Okay, so maybe we can run. Okay, this is the command master, and this is the slave. Okay, we also have the slave. Okay, so maybe let's try to execute this. So this is the command to execute. If you want to execute a general integration command, yeah, you can do this by executing once. Okay, then immediately there's a lot of activity over here already. And if you want to repeat it at a certain periodic part of time, period of due cycle, then you probably check this. Yeah, then you get to see this timer for 20 seconds if I interpret this correctly. But if you don't need it, maybe just execute once. You diligently execute once. Okay, let's check whether is it working. Quite very straightforward. My favorite test is I open up the master data over here, and this is the slave data. So so what I can do is I can go to this tag-based measurement. Okay, and there's a value over here. Let me double click this. Maybe I change this value to 4.567. Okay, so when I press enter, almost instantly this value from the master side will change. Yeah, this is quite straightforward because of the virtual serial communication part. Yeah, with this I end my presentation. Thank you.